Hi, I'm Lindsay Alexander, and this is mybanktracker.com. When deciding to invest money in the stock market, it can be scary and a little risky. If you do decide to buy and sell in the market, you're going to have to pick up a whole new language to really get what's going on. At this point in time, the market seems a little risky because of such drastic changes. Every day there's a rise and fall that's just unpredictable. But the more you know, and being smart with your investments can lead to a fun, interesting, and worthwhile way to make some money. So what you need to know about buying your first stock is a share of stock represents a tiny fraction of ownership in a company. To raise money, some businesses sell shares of ownership to anyone who wishes to buy them. The value of these shares fluctuates daily or even hourly, depending on the fortunes of the company and the general state of the economy. The goal for investors in the stock market is to select stocks that have a good chance of rising in value over time. And how do you pick which stocks to buy? Well, in the world of investing, picking which shares to buy is a million-dollar question. Trying to predict which stocks are going to rise in value is extremely difficult, even for the professional stockbrokers and money managers. There are factors that affect the value, which include things like a company's earnings, growth, losses, the economy, the political climate, and even weather. You can research about companies that you're interested in to see what experts are saying about their outlook. If there's a particular industry that you think you'll be successful and will grow, look for a newer company that in the industry you might be able to get a bargain. And remember, if a company is doing well, the price of a share in stock is likely to be high. And how do you know when to sell your stock? And stocks tend to be a long-term investment. Some experts even recommend holding a stock for at least 15 years to make any money from it. This amount of time may seem long, but history has shown that the overall value of the stock market will rise over time, even if there is a huge drop in value. You also may be aware of the Dow Jones Average, the Nasdaq Index, or S&P 500. These are indexes of specifically selected stocks whose performances are carefully watched by financial experts as an indication of the health of the stock market in general. When these indexes rise and stay high, we say we're in a bull market. When the numbers drop for a long period of time, it's called a bear market. The goal is to buy stock when the price is low and sell it when the price is high so you earn a profit. Now, where do you buy stocks? Well, as recently as 20 years ago, most people had to contact a professional stockbroker to buy or sell stock. But today, thanks to the internet, anyone with a computer can buy or sell stocks right from their home. There are many websites that will, for a fee, place orders for shares of stock, sell shares of stock you own, and track the value of the entire portfolio. Each website has its own rules and regulations, so be familiar with them before you get started. The more you know, the more comfortable you will be with the process. And finally, know how much you can afford to spend and lose in the stock market and stick to that amount. I'm Lindsay Alexander with mybanktracker.com, and together we're going to build your finances and rebuild the world.